नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं डीटीवी भारत। आपके साथ मैं हूं शर्मिला चौहान। आज का दिन राजधानी पटना के लिए बेहद ऐतिहासिक दिन है। आज हाईकोर्ट के नवनिर्मित शताब्दी भवन का उद्घाटन हुआ। यह उद्घाटन प्रधान न्यायमूर्ति एस.ए. बोबड़े द्वारा किया गया और इस उद्घाटन समारोह में बिहार के मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार, केंद्रीय मंत्री रविशंकर प्रसाद सहित कई बड़े नेता और कई बड़े अधिकारी मौजूद रहे। आज का ये उद्घाटन समारोह बेहद भव्य तरीके से मनाया गया। बता दें कि इस समारोह में कई तरह की प्रस्तुतियां भी की गई। तो इस नए शताब्दी भवन के निर्माण में केंद्रीय मंत्री रविशंकर प्रसाद और सीएम नीतीश कुमार भी मौजूद रहे। इस दौरान केंद्रीय मंत्री रविशंकर प्रसाद ने क्या कुछ कहा, पहले ये सुनते हैं।
Northern India, Southern India, Western India, and led to that selection with the biggest stress of scrutiny of merit. Best minds become additional district judges, then district judges, then come to also to the High Court in that very limited quota. The rest will be continued for the subordinate judiciary as the case may be. We also wish to give proper reservation to SC, ST, OBC so that the inclusive character of judiciary may also come about. I am very keenly pushing it, ladies and gentlemen, that we must, and All India Judicial Service is a part of perhaps Article 312 of the Constitution. That's a work in progress. We are in discussion with Honorable Chief Justice. He has been encouraging, but we'll work it together. What is my last submission to make? This is the centenary building of Patna High Court. Indian democracy post-independence is now more than 70 years old. The Constitution came into force in 1950. Freedom, independence of judiciary, the right to franchise of people are now ingrained in the constitutional polity of India. Mani Nitish ji is sitting here, my senior as a student. We were baptized in the JP movement of Bihar, fought against the emergency. Now those days are past. No political party can afford to compromise the basic tenets of the constitutional polity of India, namely freedom, namely democracy, namely independence of judiciary. If that is the real hallowed tradition of India's constitutional polity, it is time to look beyond in the coming 70, 80 years. And this will work only when there is a fine balance of independence of judiciary, separation of power, good governance, and overall commitment to the cause of the people of India. Because I take cue from what the Chief Justice of Patna High Court rightly stated, we all are a stakeholder. And this work as a stakeholder must ensure the pristine glory of judiciary, the shining characteristics of Indian democracy, and the overall quest for good governance must work together to ensure a truly developed India. थैंक यू, नमस्कार, जय हिंद।
तो इसी के साथ इस खबर में फिलहाल इतना ही। मुझे दीजिए इजाजत और देश भर की तमाम बड़ी खबरों के लिए आप देखते रहिए डीटीवी भारत।